I got corn in my teeth.
No.
Good morning everyone, welcome to another episode of Sailing Learning by Doing. This week we are in Komodo National Park, Labuan on the western tip of Flores. And we're going into the park to spend about a week looking around. It's pretty famous, everyone sort of has, knows about the dragons and the mantas and the Padar lookout and things like that. Obviously there's hardly anyone here, so that's a pretty cool thing for us. We get to check this all out. So anyway, just enjoy this video. We're not going to talk at all, we're just going to put a couple of good songs on, show you the footage we're going to collect hopefully, and we'll get back to you later with our actual thoughts and our experiences in the park. Right now we're about to head off. We're on a mooring buoy and the wind is pretty favourable for where we want to go. So I'm going to pull up the mainsail and I'll show you how we sail off the mooring. So we're on a mooring here, we've been here a couple of days, and as we're about to head that way, and obviously the wind's coming from this direction, we can sail straight off this mooring. We won't turn the engine on, we just pull up the mainsail, throw the mooring rope off, drift back a bit, get round to the right heading, pull out the head sail and off we'll go. Okay, bye-bye mooring. So good to just sail off the mooring. It's sort of pretty, I don't know, it might be pretty lame, but to get from point A to point B without turning the engine on, it's pretty cool. Because like normally we put the engine on at least just to lift the anchor winch, to drive the anchor winch. But on a mooring buoy you just drop it, just reverse back a little bit, turn on and boom, you go, and there's no noise, and yeah, I don't know, you're sailing. It's pretty cool. Going through a super narrow part here. That's Komodo Island. This is, I don't know, a small island. We're only in 7 meters of water and the current is just crazy here. Look around. And we're sailing, not engineing. But I don't know. Oh, look at this crazy current here. Doing 8 knots. rocking along. It's about 26, 27 knots of wind. We've got first reef in the main and a reef in the head sail. And I picked this moment to let Marie steer for the first time ever while we're sailing. And she's loving it. It's awesome. We just left Labuan Bajo, heading towards Lombok. Phew! Sailing is freaking amazing.
So it's the first time I'm steering with the sail out. It's pretty different feeling. Normally it's super smooth and right now it's not at all. You can really feel the elements, like the waves and the winds. They try to push the boat in the opposite direction than what I want.
And it's good feeling?
Yeah, it's good feeling, but it's a bit hard.
Yeah, I picked my moment of giving her the first time steering in 26 knots of wind now, and we're doing 8.3 knots boat speed. But she's, yeah, trial by fire. She's doing good, look at these muscles. No, it's awesome, having a good day.
So we had an amazing time in Komodo Park. We spent sometimes in a place called Turtle City. So it was super good corals, a lot of turtles to swim with, pretty beautiful place. We also visit Panda. We planned to visit Rinshore, but it was closed for the moment. They had a project to put an hotel. It's pretty bad for a national park. But yeah, it was super good place and crazy landscapes and color and a lot of animals. Really liked it.
Comfortable?
Super comfortable.
Nice little patch of shade, spinnaker bag to sit on, beautiful.
Yeah, it's a bean bag of spinnaker. We are probably doing the same speed as in the crossing, like around 7 knots. But this is clearly better. Not eating too much, not crazy swells. That's swells?
Swells?
Yeah. Not crazy swells, and yeah, that's perfect. Nice, good position, enjoying the wind. I really prefer that.
This is beautiful. We're doing 7.5 knots, nearly downwind, no swells, no waves. It is beautiful, but if I'm honest, I do probably prefer the 8.5 knots in 35 knots of wind and surfing down waves. Makes you feel alive. This is definitely like a holiday feeling. The other one is more of a on the edge, but heartbeat to the roof sort of feeling, and that's more my style. But it's good, now we're both happy. We really love the time here in Komodo, but to be honest, I like the time in Labuan Bajo more. Komodo is, yeah, it's, I mean, you've all heard of Komodo and probably not heard of Labuan Bajo, but Labuan Bajo is a little town that where the airport is, where people arrive in Komodo National Park. And for us it was just cool in Labuan Bajo because it was our first sort of view of Westerners since we arrived in Indonesia, and we could get a cappuccino. It might sound like we're tourists, but it's really, you appreciate getting a pizza at a restaurant, for example. We hadn't had one of them since we left Europe in early March, and getting a proper made coffee, and it was just cool. It was nice, and we, as you've seen in the past videos, we explored around a little bit on Flores Island, Rutang and those places. Komodo itself was, I mean, in my personal point of view, it was a bit of a letdown, but only because I'd heard so much about it. And yeah, it was awesome. The water is super clear here and really not much plastic. So they were high points. But going to Padar, which, you know, I've shown you in this, and here's a picture of it, that famous view. I'd rather go to somewhere that's not quite as beautiful, but I have the feeling I'm the first one there. You know, I'm not the first one anywhere, but when there's 800 concreted steps taking you to the top of something, even if the view is the best in the world, to me it doesn't really light my fire, just because I know that there's been 3 million Instagrammers up there before me, and I'm not having the feeling I'm seeing something special in a way, even though it is special. And Komodo Park's sort of like that everywhere. I'm not going to get the best footage or the best views of a dragon. You know, I'd rather go somewhere else along Flores that someone with a boat can't get to, and really explore something and have a unique view of it. So that's my take on Komodo. But yeah, definitely amazing place. But we have a boat and we can go wherever the hell we want, so you get the exploring vibe a little more. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, mostly just images. Here's some pictures as well in the little slideshow at the end. Next week we'll be, well, we don't even know yet. We don't know where we're going to be tomorrow, to be honest. We're just heading towards Lombok, and we've got some visa issues, we've got some COVID issues. I got my second positive rapid test yesterday. Obviously I don't have COVID, I've got a negative PCR swab test, but there's something in my system that kicks off these antibody rapid tests. So while I don't have COVID, people who take the test and see a reactive test get all hyper and think I'm a white person carrying the disease. So yeah, that makes things complicated, and when we arrive in Lombok we'll probably get hassled for that too. But anyway, that's all in the future. See ya!